Back in the 80s, when I was a kid, the brand Ocean Pacific, or OP for short, made these awesome corduroy shorts. The best part about these shorts, by far, was their giant patch pockets. The pockets were perfect for holding all of our rad gear. I decided to recreate this look from a pair of stretchy corduroy pants that I found at the dump. I cut off the legs of the pants and hemmed up the bottom. Now, on to the patch pockets. I'm making my pocket this shape, but patch pocket is just the name of a pocket sewn directly onto a garment. And it can be any shape. However, if this is your first patch pocket, I'd make a square or rectangle. Just make your life easier. First, cut out 2 of the exact same shape. For a non-symmetrically shaped pocket, fold your fabric in half and cut both sides at once. When you cut your pocket, make sure that even with seam allowance, your pocket will be big enough to hold whatever you need it to hold. With right sides of fabric touching, sew these 2 pieces of fabric together, leaving a small gap so you can turn it inside out when you're done. Trim all corners of your pocket close to the stitching like so. Also, trim any excess seam allowance that might make the pocket bulky. Turn your pocket right side out. Be sure to push out all the corners with an object that is pointy but not sharp, like a chopstick or a dull pencil. Iron your pocket flat. Folding in seam allowance, pin the 2 sides of the gap in your pocket together. Once you've determined where you want your pocket to be, pin it to your garment. Sew your pocket to your garment on all sides except for the opening. At the opening, sew back and forth for reinforcement. This back and forth stitching at your pocket opening is important whatever shape your pocket is. And that's it! That's all there is to making a patch pocket. Here's my latest work on my version of the OP short. And while my new patch pockets won't help me pull off any new sick tricks, they're perfect for holding all of my modern day gear. If you like this project, check out my book, How to Upcycle Nearly Everything, and get loads of more fun projects just like this one.